Welcome to Thursday, June 13th. I want to reorganize my garden. I want to group things together, like put all the tomatoes together, put all the lettuce and the peppers together, because I think that would be better for my garden, and maybe move things around that are getting too much sun and things that are not getting enough sun. So please stay tuned and continue to watch my video. I'm going to remove this planter stand. I purchased this from Goodwill for $10, but it just takes up too much space and I have a small patio area. So I'm going to remove all the plants from the stand, and I'm actually going to put the stand by my front door. So I'm going to sweep up any debris, and I just think that I am going to reorganize some of my plants here. So this is what the area is looking like, and I think that it looks pretty good. So let's bring on the plants. So I'm going to move my cucumber plants because I think it gets more sun. I'm going to repot it from the grow bag because I really don't like the grow bags, and I'm going to use this pot that I purchased from Lowe's. So here are some of the materials that I'm using, and I'm going to use the soil. So I think that should be pretty good. So I just put a little soil in the little planter and just gonna mix things around, get that soil all nice and good. So I cut open the grow bag because I just didn't know another way to get the plant out, and I didn't want to damage the plant. So that's what I did. And so I put the cucumber plant in the bucket, and I think it's looking pretty okay. Then I put some more soil, and it's looking really sad. I have to say that. But so I purchased these little clips from the Dollar Tree, and I have some of these bamboo poles or sticks, and so I'm going to attach the stem to the bamboo poles, and I just think that this is going to make that cucumber plant look a lot better. Now mind you, I'm not an expert. I'm just making this up as I go. Wow, what a difference! Look at my cucumber plant. It is looking all nice and healthy. I just love just repotting this and just getting rid of that grow bag. I think I purchased the wrong grow bag. After watering it, I think it's looking pretty good. So let's complete this project. I purchased this organic food, so I'm going to try to use some in the cucumber plant. I've never used this before, so let's give it a try. And I also bought this spoon from the Dollar Tree so I could just sprinkle some of the food into the pot. So this is what the food looks like. I'm not sure if I'm using too much, but let's just give this a try because I'm really bad at reading directions. So I'm just going to sprinkle, 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 and sprinkle some more. I think I used too much plant food, but oh well, I'll get better with the next plant. So now it's time to water. So I hope this helps my plant. I really want to see what I can grow in my garden, and I think once these cucumbers come in, I'm gonna make them into pickles. I cannot wait. So this is what my garden is looking like right now. It's really a mess, but I am determined to get everything nice and tidy. So continue to watch. So I repotted both of the cucumber plants. I had two, and I just think that they're looking a lot better. But I think I'm going to move the cucumber plant side by side, and I just think that this is a better placement. I also use the bamboo, and I kind of roped the two plants together by using the cooking twine. That's the only thing that I had available, so I'm just using what I have. So this is what it's looking like right now. So I've decided that I'm going to move my glass table off my patio because I don't have enough space and it's just taking up too much inventory. So I purchased this table from the Goodwill as well, and it was $10. So I just removed it, and it's just gonna add so much more space, and I'll be able to really group my veggies that I'm growing. So I'm gonna move things around, and this is what it's looking like. I put the cucumbers together, and I decided to put like the tomato plant in the back because it just needed some more room. And I grouped all the lettuce together, my butter lettuce, my romaine lettuce, and I think it's looking pretty good. I put my okra in a different location so it could get some more sun because it was not doing very well. So now I'm going to repot my sunflower plant. I think that the bucket is too small and my sunflower is always dry, so let's give this a try. So I purchased this planter pot from Lowe's, and I think it was like $250, $268, something like that. So I'm going to use this potting soil. I like it. I purchased this from Lowe's as well. So I'm going to put some dirt in the bottom of the pot, and then I will take out the sunflower and just put it on top of the soil. So I think I'm going to play a little music for you guys so you can see the process of me just repotting my sunflower plant. I don't know if I'm doing it correctly, but I think it's going to work. So enjoy the music. Look at these roots. So I'm going to try to just loosen them up. I think I saw that on YouTube, just to get these little roots kind of moving. Now the plant was really dry, so I am doing my best. So there you go. So I'm just going to add some of the soil around the plant. Just turn it around and add some more soil. And you see how the leaves are wilting because no matter how many times I watered it, it was always super dry within hours. And I'm going to try a new method of watering my plant, but I'll do that on my next video. So this is nothing super exciting. It's just me just trying to repot my sunflower, and I think it looks good. I like the fact that the pot is bigger. And my sunflower just says, thank you. I needed a little bit more room. Well, that's my version. And there we go. So there you go. I think she looks really good. On to the next one. So let's look at my progress so far. I think that it is coming along. I just love how it looks. And I added these clear water saucers, And what I'm going to do is like pour some water in there, and hopefully this will help with the dryness of my plants. I think it will work. I'll let you guys know. Isn't it beautiful so far? So these are my broccoli, and they're not really growing. I just do not like the grow bag. So I'm also going to repot my broccoli. I'm also going to repot my string beans. My broccoli and these string beans were grown from seed packets from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just showing you the pots that I'm going to be using. And so that's the broccoli, and I think I did a pretty good job at repotting it. I did have to use several smaller pots. So I'm going to be using this Miracle Grow Performance Organic Container Mix. I've been seeing it for a while and I just wanted to give it a try. And look how beautiful it is. And I think I've been using the wrong potting soil. So this is definitely different from the other mixture and I like this better. But I'm probably like 15 bags in, so we're just going to make do. So I put some of the soil in, so now I'm going to transfer the string beans into this other pot, and it is looking beautiful. So there you have it, guys. This is me repotting the string bean plant. So let me show you an update. So this is what my garden is looking like. I just love grouping everything together. I like moving some of the pots from grow bags into actually planter pots. So this is it. I think it looks super nice. So what do you guys think? I think everything looks healthy and happy. I think I did a pretty good job for someone who has no idea how to garden. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!